Open Play Store and download the Wi-Fi FTP app from the link in the description. We will use this app to create a Wi-Fi FTP server to access the mobile phone files on our PC. Open it. Allow the notifications. You can change the preferences here. Click on Select a folder and allow access to manage all the files. Now you can select a directory you want to access through FTP. If you want to access the whole internal storage, you can click Use this folder on the screen itself. After you are done with the changes, click this Start icon. Now our FTP server is running. Open File Explorer on your PC. Make sure that your mobile phone and the PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you get this error, click on OK. Type this FTP URL at the top. Hit Enter. Type the username and password as seen here. As you can see, we can now access the directory.